Come on. Come on. Look at that fall smallie. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. And it is really windy out here today. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to be using the cream crawfish little crankbait that I have right here. But we used it the other video and it was catching everything. So I wanted to come to a different creek and see if it would do the same. I kind of think personally that this is one of the best creek fishing lures you can use. It's also pretty cloudy, but the sun is peeking in and out throughout the day. So let's go ahead and get our first cast in here. I'm gonna try to get some smallies, but I don't know yet. Oh, got one. Got one. What is this, a little rock bass? I think so. First fish of the day. Woo! Oh yeah. First fish of the day, a little rock bass. Not too bad. Good, nice fall rock bass. Look at this. These leaves have made like a natural dam right here. Whoa. Look at all, oh. I'm knee deep in it. When it's not even really at your ankles. Oh, got one. Got one. Here we go. We got, oh, we got a baby smallie. There we go. Look at there. He's really small. Cool little guy. Put him back. Boop. Oh, I don't even know where he went. I think he went under the leaves with me. But he was just tucked up in that corner by the leaves. Oh, got one. Got one right there. Oh, right as I was turning. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I went to go turn to take another cast, but I was still reeling in and this little largemouth hit it. That was pretty cool. Whoop, there he goes. Got one. Here we go. Here we go. I let him hit it once, but oh, we got another largie. He's not bad either. There we go. A little largemouth. We're getting bigger though. We are getting bigger in size. All right, let's go ahead and get a release on this guy. Oh, I see him. I still see him. He's out there. Got one. Got one. Here we go. Oh, what is this? What is this? Is that a little smallie? Yes. Got a little smallie. Man, he is hyped up too. He is ready. All right, come here, bud. There we go. We got a little smallie. Not too bad. I'm gonna put him back. cool. Little train come through. Got one. Got one. Ooh, that's a bass. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Man, he was a fighter. There we go. And they're nice fall smallie. Go ahead and put him back. Whoop, there he goes. Let's see if I can get anything down here. Hopefully I can. But there's so many leaves. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. No way. Oh my goodness. That was a good bass. I mean, he was probably at least 1.5 pounds. I think possibly 2. I got a glimpse of him. Oh my goodness, I got one. I got one. I got one. Oh, I think this is the one. Actually, no, it's not. No, it's not. But it's not a bad one either. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Getting you up here. Woo. Woo. Look at that guy. Nice smallie. Look at that fall smallie. That's nice. All right, he is gonna be one pound 4 ounces. Oh, got one. Got one. They're rock bass. I just saw a good smallie too. They're a little rock bass. We're kind of on a roll with them lately. Oh, I got one off the rip on that cast. I don't even know what I got. Oh, little bluegill. He ate it immediately. Oh, oh, there we go. What is that? What is that? Whoo! That's a good rock bass right there. Whoo! Look at that one. You can almost eat him. A little too small, but not bad. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do like a rock bass catch and cook or something. There's a largemouth right in front of me. I don't know if y'all can see him. But we're gonna put this rock bass right there. Spooked the bass a little bit, but it's all right. Oh, got one. Here we go. Here we go. What is that, a bigger rock bass? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Just at, ow. He got me. Just after getting that other rock bass, we got this one. Really nice. Put him back in. All right, I'm gonna throw it around in this hole right here for a minute. And then I think we're gonna call it for today. See what our first cast can get us. Got one. Here we go. Look at that, we got a little sunfish. Pretty good. There's something walking up on this bank right here. I don't know what it is. Raccoon, armadillo, something. I think it's an armadillo. Oh, as soon as I threw it back in. What we got here? We got another one? Yeah. Oh yeah. Another little fish. Another little sunfish, I believe. Whoa, look around his ear. Around his ear is like the little colors. That's really cool. And the little red fin right here. That's really cool. But yeah, don't be surprised when I'm using this lure a good bit for the fall, winter, and early spring. Because this is just my go-to for it. Oh, got one. Got one. Here we go. Oh, look at this little guy. Look at this little guy that went up and ate it. Whoa. Really cool looking. I wish the sun was out so you could see him better. He has some cool colors though. Really cool colors. Look at that guy. Alright, we're gonna put him back in. Let me know if y'all want to see another catch and cook, like on a rock bass or a smallmouth or something. And coming this next spring, or it might be closer to summer, but I'm gonna be doing more catch and cooks. And it's gonna be a kind of themed catch and cook with whoa, there's a glass bottle here too. Look at that. It's gonna be themed because I'm gonna use different ingredients with the fish and try stuff with it, like hot Cheetos or Doritos, Fritos. Do some spicy stuff with like jalapenos, habaneros, ghost peppers, maybe the world's hottest chip. But anyway, guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. I'm definitely gonna say that this is one of the best lures for the creek. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It looks like it's about to storm pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.